हो गई वीडियो.
Hello everyone, welcome back to your math online class. Today we are going to continue with our chapter LCM and HCF. So we have already completed how to solve LCM using prime factorization method and how to find out HCF using prime factorization method. Today we are going to move one step forward. What is our objective for today? So student will be able to verify the product of any two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. What we are going to do? We are going to verify. Verify का मतलब होता है to see or to prove. We are going to prove that the product of any two given numbers is equal to the product of HCF and LCM. Product मतलब multiply करना. Which operation we are going to do? We are going to multiply. Now let's go for a quick recap. Alright. Find LCM and HCF of given numbers. These are the two numbers. We have to find out LCM first and then find out HCF. So quickly, how to find out LCM? LCM के steps क्या थे? First take the numbers together in L shape. Alright, now 15 and 60, right? So always start with 1, 115s are 15 and 160s are 60. Now check with 2. 2 के टेबल में 15 will not come. 60 I don't know. Do your working note. 2 के टेबल में 60 आएगा. 2 के टेबल में 6, yes. 2 3s are 6. 0 बच गया. Take this 0 down. 2 के टेबल में 0, 2 zeros are 0 और we can write down this number directly here. मतलब 2 के टेबल में 16 times when you do 2 multiply by 60 will 30 will give you 60. 2 multiply by 30 will give you 60. So 2 के टेबल में 60 आता है. 15 नहीं आता है, we'll write 15 as it is. 2 30s will give you 60. Now again check. Obviously it will come in 2 का टेबल. 2 15 तो नहीं आएगा, write 15 as it is. 30 at what times? Find it out. 30 at what times? Okay. So 2 1s are 2. 1 बच गया. 2 5s are 10. At what times? 15 times. So write down 15 here. Now 15 and 15 they will not come from in 2 का table. We'll go for 3. 3 के टेबल में yes. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now 5. Always start checking from 2. 2 के टेबल में 5 no. 3 के टेबल में no. 4 के टेबल में no. Go for 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 1 1 आ गया. These are your factors. Now we will multiply these factors and we will get LCM. So 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. My LCM I am writing LCM directly. You can write down common factors and multiply. LCM answer is 60. Right? Now we have to check HCF. HCF के लिए what we do in prime factorization method, take both the numbers separately. So I will write 15 अलग से and 60 अलग से. Start with 1. Right? First I'll solve for 15, then I'll go for 60. Now 2 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 3 के टेबल में 3 5s are and 5 1s are. Go for this 1 60s are 60. Now obviously we have checked for 60. 2 के टेबल में आता है, कब आता है? At 30s are. So 2 30s are 60. Again we have checked 32 के टेबल में कब आता है? 15s are. So 2 15s are 30. Then 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are. I am moving very quickly because we know how to solve LCM and LCF using L method. We are doing that only. Now HCF के लिए check which numbers are common. 1 is common. 3 है, yes है. 5 है, yes है. Done. Now multiply the common numbers. Take out the common factors. What are the common factors here? 1 into 3 into 5. 1 3s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. This is my HCF. HCF is 15, right? So this is how you find out LCM and HCF using prime factorization method. This is your question. find LCM and HCF of the numbers and verify their product is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. It's a very lengthy question, but basically what we have to do is we have to find out LCM and HCF of these two numbers, and then we have to check whether the multiplication of their LCM and HCF, मतलब LCM और HCF को मल्टीप्लाई करके और ये प्रोडक्ट, ये इनका इसका जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा वो दोनों इक्वल है या नहीं. ओके, वी हैव टू प्रूव multiplication of these two numbers equal to multiplication means product of their LCM and HCF. Okay, we are going to follow the steps. All right, so let's see what is the step number 1. Step 1 is find HCF and step 2 is find LCM. Very simple, we are going to find out HCF and LCM of these two numbers. Chalo, we'll do it quickly. So for LCM, take both the numbers together, 18 and 30. 1 18s are 80, 1 30s are 30. Go for check for 2. 2 9s are 18 and 2 15s are 30. Now 9 and 13, 15 both will not come under 2 का table, so we'll go for 3. 3 3s are and 3 5s are. Again check from 2. 2 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा दोनों के नंबर. Go for 3. 3 के टेबल में 3 आएगा. 3 1s are 3. 5 आएगा no. So write 5 as it is. Check from 5, right? So 5 1s are 1 का 1 लिख देंगे and 5 1s are 5, right? So both the numbers are now 1. These are my factors. What I will do with them? I will multiply them to find out LCM. So multiply them. 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. 1 2s are 2. Okay, write down. If you want to do it in this way, you can do it in this way. It will take time, but this is the best approach. कोई calculation mistake नहीं होगा इसमें. Again 2 3s are 6. Write down these two numbers as it is. 6 3s are 18. Now 18 5s are, it will give you 90, right? So my LCM of 18 and 30 is 90. Now we will find out HCF. Okay, all right, I will do it here since we don't have enough space there. I'll do it here. So HCF of 18 and 30, write down both the numbers separately. 18 अलग से लिखो, 30 को अलग से लिखो. Now always start with 1, then 2 9s are 18. Check from 2 के टेबल में 9 नहीं आएगा, 3 के टेबल में आएगा and 3 1s are. 30 को भी सेम, 1 30s are 30. Check from 2 के टेबल में 30, yes 2 15s are 30. This is 1 5 15. Okay, now 2 के टेबल में 15 नहीं, 3 के टेबल में 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Check which numbers are common. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common. और 3 है नहीं, 5 है नहीं. Alright, so 1 2 and 3. What is my HCF then? HCF will be 1 multiplied 2 multiplied 3. I have seen many of you are writing it double. When we are taking common numbers, see कौन से number common है, circle them and write down only ones और multiply कर दो. So 1 2s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. My HCF is 6. Start. Okay, now we will go for our third step. What is our third step? We have to multiply LCM and HCF. So we will find out the product of LCM and HCF. So LCM क्या आया था 90 and HCF क्या आया था 60. Alright, so 90 into 60 will give you 540. You can do your working note on the right hand side of your page. So my LCM into HCF is 9 540. Now go for step 4. Multiply the numbers. We have to multiply the numbers now. Alright, what is our question? Our question is 18 and 30. So I will multiply 18 and 30. 18 30 को यहाँ पे multiply करके देख लो. What will be the answer? 0 8s are 0, 0 1s are 0. Then put this 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3 4 5. आंसर क्या आ रहा है 540. Add them, you will get 540. So multiplication of the given number is 540 and multiplication of LCM and HCF is 540. Right? Now go for final step. Check what we have to check. Product of the numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF or not. So we will write this formula here. Okay, what we will write? We will write product of numbers equal to product of LCM and HCF. LCM into HCF. Alright. Now, product of numbers means the given numbers, which it has to be equal to product of LCM and HCF. So, product of. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to find out product of the numbers. It has to be equal to product of LCM and HCF. Product of the number was 540. We will write 540. We will see whether it is equal or not. It has to be equal to product of LCM and HCF. Product of LCM and HCF was 540. So both the sides are equal. If both the sides are equal, that means we have verified. So we will write hence proof. मतलब हमने proof कर दिया that the product of the given numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. Alright, so class, these are your homework questions. You have to find out LCM and HCF of the numbers and verify their product is equal to the product of their LCM and HCF or not. Okay, these are your 5 questions. Pause your video here and copy down these questions in your notebook. Make sure that you submit this homework questions by 1:30 PM today. Alright, so with this class we have come to our today's session. I hope that you all like our today's video and understand and understood how to find out LCM and HCF and how to verify product of the given numbers equal to LCM and HCF, equal to the product of LCM and HCF or not. Okay, make sure that you write down all the notes class. I have seen many of you are only submitting homework questions and not writing the question which I am explaining to you. Okay, so whenever I explain any question, pause your video there and then copy down the notes. Okay, I want everyone to submit the question that I am explaining to you as well as your homework questions. Okay, make sure that you submit it by 1:30 PM today. And also, as I have requested all of you to complete your practice set number 8 and 9 from your math textbook, so make sure that you are completing that also and submitting it to me by 1:30 PM today. Alright, thank you so much class.